friends, a very welcome to you in my channel. Today I am going to show you one of the best trick invented ever in the internet. So let's stay with me and see the tricks. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that any update you never miss. Okay, so let's start. Today I am going to show you how can you see who visited your Facebook profile recently. Okay, so it is going to be very interesting. So at first you have to open your Facebook profile. Here is your Facebook profile. Okay. Here is your Facebook page, home page, and from that page you have to go to your profile. Here is my profile. It is my profile page, and you have to right click here, right click and go to page source. Okay, so now you have to type Ctrl F, and this box came here. Okay, and you have to now type initial chat friends list. This came. And then you have to go the page down, and this sequence numbers came here, these sequence numbers, and then you have to copy one sequence number from here, and then you have to go to your profile, and paste here. So here is the result. You can see. That's all.